Ngayon ang tanong mo, worth it ba naman yan? Magbayad ako ng 995 monthly. Let's say hindi talaga ako makapag-refer and magtagal. Kasi sinabi mo, taon ng bilangan eh. O sige, pakita ko sa inyo. Let's say for example, 1 year. 1 year. Dumagpas yung 1 year. Tsaka lang napuno yung matrix mo. Okay, magkano ginastos mo? $119.40. Magkano in peso yan? 6,724. Puno na yung matrix mo. Magkano magiging monthly income mo? 2,047.50. That's 100,000 pesos monthly income. So ikaw na sumagot, sulit ba yung paghihintay? Sulit talaga. O gawin nating 3 years. Pag 3 years kang tuloy-tuloy nagbabayad, ang lalabas sa'yo, 20,172. Pag napuno na yung matrix mo, magkano na yung kinikita mo? 100,000 pesos monthly. So okay lang kahit 3 years ka magbayad. Gawin nating 5 years, 60 months. That's 33,620. Diba? Ang kinikita mo more than 100,000. So okay lang. Kahit nga 10 years eh. Kasi doblehin mo lang yan eh. Going to be 66, 67,000. Monthly mong kinikita. Darating pala yung point na yung income mo dun sa matrix mo, yun na yung pinambabayad ng subscription mo. Alright? Ngayon, kung ayaw mo magtagal ng ganito, ayaw mong abutin ng 1 taon, 3 taon, 5 taon, 10 taon bago mapuno yung matrix mo, kailangan may strategy ka. Yung strategy na yan, simple lang para mabilis mapuno yung matrix mo at mag-rank up ka ng tuloy-tuloy. Ito lang gawin mo. On your first week, you get 2. Tapos, you teach those 2 to get their 2 on their first week. Ngayon, pag nakakuha na sila ng 2, ulitin mo lang. You get another 2. And then you teach those 2 to get 2. So you get 2, help 2, repeat. Okay? Ito mangyayari niyan. Let's say for example, yung get 2, help 2 lang ang mangyari, no? Now, on the first week, nadagdagan ng 2, yung 2 kinuha mo. On the second week, nadagdagan ng 4 kasi yung 2 kinuha mo, kumuha ng 2. Tapos nadagdagan ng 8, 16, 32, 64. Guess what? On the 12th week pa lang, umaabot na ng 8,190 people in your matrix. That means you're already receiving the 2,047.50 monthly income nung matrix commission mo. Alright? Bronze ka na kasi kumuha ka ng 2. Sagip mo na yung 13th level. And on the 13th week, puno na rin yun. So on the 13th week, yung computation ng matrix income mo, umabot na ng 4,095.50. Alright? So ganun lang yan. Now, if you are repeating that process again and again and again and again and again, aabot at aabot ka sa pagiging diamond, sa pagiging crown diamond. Okay? Kasi maganda yan, may strategy ka talagang sinusunod. That's the strategy you use. And make that a custom. Gawin mong kultura dun sa organization mo. Lahat ng magjo-join automatic on their first week, magiging bronze. Meaning kukuha ng 2 na magjo-join with them. Alright? Pag naging kultura yan, ang bilis lumaki ng ano mo, ng organization mo.